Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1940 Dodge V series truck, and this is by Matchbox. And so it is by Mattel to be exact. Since we are going by the brand names, I'm just mentioning Matchbox. So for people who don't know about this, both Hot Wheels and Matchbox are owned by Mattel only. So they are not two different companies now. And okay, so I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. And so the first thing is, I love Matchbox card arts compared to the Hot Wheels one because it actually showcases the full car. So you can actually cut this one and keep it inside a box, while you are planning to customize, which I originally planned to do. And there are few more things we will discuss those during upcoming unboxing as well. Why Matchbox is a bit better on certain aspects compared to Hot Wheels for the same price range. So with that said, let's open this one first. Okay. Okay. So here is the closer look of the card art. That does look really nice. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. It is a cream color with a bit of a darker, creamier tone on the fenders. So out of the box, you can easily actually judge. This body part here, it is metal, and the fender, all this piece, everything is plastic. So the bed here is metal. So this is a part of the cockpit here, or the head here. So it has headlight details, and it has the grill details which is painted on, and it has a Dodge logo here. Let me. That is actually clear. Okay, and it has rear view mirrors. That is really nice, and the door handles also, it is embossed really well. So it doesn't have any tail light details. Okay, one thing is, like I was saying, Matchbox usually has tail light details. So this one doesn't have, but it is still embossed there, and you can see the Dodge naming also, which is embossed. And the chassis is plastic, and it has a little bit of detailing, the axle detailing and all. That is really good. And the rims are actually, see, the tires are, these are like pretty standard for a Matchbox. So, but it does look really good. I mean, I personally prefer this set of rims over any other thing, and it looks really nice. This particular set of wheels suits this particular casting very well. I really wish they could have done this particular casting in a different color, like black with red, or any brighter color instead of a creamy dull color. And it has interior detail also, and good that they actually went with clear windshield instead of tinting it like they do for Hot Wheels. Okay, that is really nice. Let's weigh this casting. 34 grams. I was not expecting that. I was expecting around 26 or 27. Okay, so let's do a roll test now. Okay. Okay, it rolls good. Second try. Okay, it actually reaches, touches the other end of the track. It does roll really good. I don't see much of a wheel wobble, but the rear wheel wobbles a little bit. If you actually notice that, you can see that, but it still rolls really good. So that is a good thing to do. So let's rate this casting. So this is the first time we are rating a Matchbox on our channel, because back then when we unboxed, I think more than 1 or 2 years ago, I think during 2023, we didn't had this rating and all. So after someone suggested this, I actually started doing that. So as far as I know, again I'm saying, Matchbox actually has both headlight and tail light details on all the castings. So with that said, so let's rate this casting. So I don't have any issue with any of the other things in this casting. The paint job is actually good. So it has a little bit of paint bubbling here. So that is something just for me, not a common thing. So it does roll really well. And so I'm just taking out zero point 0.5 for this tail light detail missing. So 9.5 out of 10. So one thing I just want to tell you guys, don't go only for brand, just because it's mentioned as Hot Wheels. Don't only do. I mean, my uh, request, you can say, don't just go only for Hot Wheels. Again, this is by the exact brand. This is also by Mattel. So the only difference is the naming. That's it. But for the same price, maybe again, this is the one casting which we unbox so far. It doesn't have a tail light detail, but I'm pretty sure whatever we are going to unbox in the next couple of days, all those castings are going to have both details. I'm pretty sure about that. So you will be getting all the details, and it does look really cool. I mean, there are a couple of castings you can see a little bit of difference in Matchbox compared to Hot Wheels, and Matchbox ones looks really way better. So I think I did unbox some during 2023 which looked actually way better. Let's see if we can able to do that this year also, maybe next month or so. Let's see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.